Hello, the following is a demo of a virtual assistant experience that we recently created for one of our customers. This experience is a personal financial wellness companion. It can answer questions about financial topics and provide customized and personalized answers based on each user's unique financial situation. To kick things off, I will start by asking a general and common financial questions such as this one. As the answer starts to stream in, I would like to highlight the first key differentiating factor of this experience. As you can see, this answer that we're receiving is not some generic answer like what you would get by asking this on ChatGPT or similar platform. Instead, this answer is personalized to my own financial situation. For example, it's knowledgeable about my current debt situation and being able to tailor the answer based on that. Now let's ask something else. Similarly, as you can see, the answer we're getting here is personalized to our own financial situation. And I like to highlight the second key differentiating factor here is that it's not only using the raw data of my financial situation, but it's also able to take into consideration of my behavioral pattern and behavior profile, such that I'm a mover or shaker type of person, that I'm always thinking ahead, and is able to tailor the answer based on that. Secondly, this system is running on a customized Retrieval-Altered Generation or RAG architecture, where this answer is composed based on a knowledge base of pre-approved articles and source documents. So the answer is grounded in documents and materials that we trust. This solves one of the key limitations of generative AI today, which is hallucination and therefore potential mistrust from the public. In addition to providing the answer, the system is also providing us with the list of source documents that it used to generate this answer, as well as the relevant parts of that document in generating this answer. So this significantly increase the credibility of the answer and also give users additional information for them to follow up on if they wish to learn more. Okay, now let's ask something completely different. Here, I'm not asking about financial topics, I'm asking about what is the next to-do item that I have in this app. This showcases flexibility and scalability of our system, where you could have multiple distinct topic areas capabilities built into one centralized system and provide a unified interface for the user to interact with. So you can imagine if in your experience and in your application where you have multiple areas where you would like the user to ask questions for and ask questions about, you wouldn't need to have multiple entry points for the user. You can create one centralized interface for users to interact with multiple areas of your own application. Now let's end the demo on a relaxing note by asking it a trivia question. Well, this is a somewhat question that are not related to the experience, but what we can see here is that the system provided me with the answer, but also urged me to come back to the initial purpose that this experience was designed for. So this showcased another key aspect of the experience created with our technology, where you can create these kind of guardrails to ensure that the user interact with your experience in the way that's intended. Thank you.